Welcome aboard the Celebrity Xcel. In this video, we're going to be exploring a deluxe interior room. So let's see what that actually looks like and if it's worth the upgrades. Come on in. So first thing you'll notice is compared to most interior rooms, this is actually really large. You have your bed that's of decent size, takes up quite a bit of room, and on most interior rooms, this would probably be the end of your room. But here you also get this lounger style couch, plus a little bit more room in between that and the bed. You also have a very long vanity over here with plenty of storage here, which is really, really nice. You also have ample closet space. So let me show you that now. Across from the bed is where you're gonna have your closet space. You get a full-length mirror, you get plenty of room for your long hang-ups and your short hang-ups as well. You get a fridge in the room, you're safe in the room, all your amenities that you might need. So if you're just looking for a little bit more space than you would get in a regular interior room, this is a great option. Let's check out the bathrooms. So as you come in, you'll notice they look really nice. You have this marble-esque pattern behind you. You have your tube-style door that opens outward and away from you. You can close yourself in here. As you can see, I'm 6 foot and there's plenty of room in here for me. Then you have your vanity with shelving on both sides over here. Plenty of room in your sink, plenty of room for storage of your makeup or your toiletries. So this is actually a really nice bathroom, especially for an interior room. All right, guys, well, we hope this video has been helpful to help you understand exactly what you're gonna get with a deluxe interior room aboard the Celebrity Xcel. As always, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can use a QR code here to have Amy book the perfect cruise on the perfect itinerary for you, maybe even aboard the Celebrity Xcel. As always, we appreciate you so much, and we will see you on the next one.